Hi friends, how you do? If you're new here, hi, my name is Nikki. I love fun, bright, colorful makeup. I would love to have you subscribe if you haven't already, but if you do, you do. If you don't, you don't. It is what it is. I enjoyed our small bit of time together, whatever that may end up being. Today we are playing with the old but good Wilderness palette from Beauty Bay. It looks like this. It is just absolutely stunning. I ended up creating this look right here. It's kind of Chappell Roan inspired from Governor's Ball. I freaking love and adore it. So if you would like to see how I ended up creating this gorgeous look right here, then let's get into it. I have this palette, which I'm not going to play with today. This is the Strawberry Milkshake palette from Unearthly. I will be playing with this at some point soon. It's just not tickling what I have in my skull for today. For today though, we are going to play with the Beauty Bay Wilderness palette. I just got their new one. I will insert a picture here. It's the Botanical palette. I'm so excited. I love Beauty Bay palettes, especially their 20 pan. So I'm gonna play with this one. This one is not around anymore. It is gone. Macari might have some, but they're probably really expensive, just an FYI, but I have a feeling you could probably dupe the shit out of this. But this is the color story for the Wilderness palette right here. This kind of came to me in a dream last night or this morning. I can't really remember when, but I want to play with these green mattes and that shade right there. I think that'll be a lot of fun. It's kind of inspired by this picture right here of Chappell Roan from her Governor's Ball, whatever look. The Statue of Liberty one is just iconic. It's gorgeous. It's just, yeah. So let's play with some makeup. Let's do this thing. I might be in a little bit of a rush because I gotta go sit and be the pretty face next to my EMT boyfriend tonight. So we are going to prime my eyes with the REM Beauty Sweetener Concealer in Fair to End, and then I'm going to set it with the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless Translucent Powder, just like always. And if you see anything and or mentioned in this video, I will probably have it linked down below, makeup wise, just saying. So let's get into this. Also, while I'm setting my eyes, I just want to ask you what kind of camera, like I'm looking into getting a camera, like not just like my phone to take pictures for when I go on vacation. Like I am thinking about getting a camera for it. So if you have any recommendations for cameras that take really good scenic pictures, send them my way, because I want to remember this trip forever. I want this to just be ingrained in my skull, in my phone, in a book, all that good stuff. I'm excited though. I'm excited for the trip and I'm excited to play. This has always been one of my top favorite palettes in my collection. It is just absolutely gorgeous. I need to play with her more. I think maybe I will take this out like once a month, maybe. Not like panning, like trying to pan it or whatnot. I mean, already successful with one shade. But just so that I can get more uses out of it, as I haven't really fully dived into its potential yet. Maybe we'll do a couple palette bingos. We'll try to, pull it out and do some things. But we are going to start, I think, with this mint shade right there. I'm going to take it on my Refer 13. Need to clean her off a little bit. And then move y'all in. Are we close enough? I don't know. Maybe we are. Maybe we aren't. We'll see. But like I said, I'm going to take that shade on my really decapitated Refer 13 and just plop it into the crease here. I really need to wash this brush though, don't look at it. But I'm just taking that and plopping that into the crease area here. I might go in and blend it out, but I'm really liking the harsh line that is being created right now. I am just putting a tad bit more in here. I do want that color popness of it all. The bright, the vibrant, the wah. I think I'm going to go in now with my Refer 14, who's on her way to looking like that Refer 13. Like I said, I gotta wash these shits. They're getting to the point. I've had a lot of things going on. I've been busy. Don't judge. But I'm going to go in with that forest shade right there now. Again, like I said, taking on the Refer 14 and just taking it just a tad bit below here. I think I might genuinely go back in with that Refer 13 with more of that mint shade. I don't think I've been naming them. Oopsies. But I'm just taking that right above that forest shade, which was that darker green that I just used, and just bringing it up here. I've forgotten how to YouTube in like the 2 days I haven't filmed. I think I'm going to actually switch over to my other Refer 13. This is really funny. You want to see something? This is the same brush. Oopsies. I'm going back in with that Refer 13, the Better Run, and just deepening this out. I do want a little bit harshness of like an abrupt line, a little. Just trying to create some depth here. And then I think I'm going to go in with that shade right there called Ivy. Still on the same brush. Just deepen it out right here. I think I do have a look that's rather similar to this. I think I did it in a collab with Erica Conger. I can link that down below. I'm just taking that Ivy shade and just blending it in here. All this shit's really not going to matter because I am going to essentially wipe it away in a bit. But I am going to go in with that Refer 14 and just blend everything slightly together here. I'm going to take a cotton, like an ear swab type bowl, and then wipe that little space out. I will show you what I'm doing, and then we are going to prime it again, and then I think I'm going to go in with that Ray shade in there. I think that'd be awesome. Okay, I'm just taking a little bit of this Neutrogena oil-free eye makeup remover, dip in my cotton swab in there, and then just okay, so now that I have that going, I'm thinking we are going to go in with my Refer 21 brush. I might have to deepen that out a little bit. Like I said, I want some abruptness. But like I said, I'm going in with that Refer 21, and I'm going to go in with that Ray shade right there. I'm just going to take that all in that space. I've just primed it. I haven't set it yet, so this should stick rather well. And just plop that on in. That's gorgeous. That is freaking gorgeous. My goodness gracious. But I'm just packing that in a tad bit. Okay, so this is what we are at. I think it is bomb as hell. I'm gonna go do the rest of my face. I'm gonna do some lashes. I will come back for blush, highlight, lip details, all that good stuff. So I'll be right back. Unless I do have this liner from ColourPop that I've been dying to use. It is their liquid liner in the Hills, which looks like that. unless we could maybe use this one too. This is Make Love. That one's yellow. I'm kind of feeling the green though. I'm kind of feeling the green. Not gonna lie. So I guess we will take that chance. So this is, like I said, this is the liquid liner from ColourPop in the Hills. And I'm not going all the way out here. I'm not really good with liner to begin with, so. That is very pretty, my goodness. Okay, I have that there now. I think that was the right decision to make right there. That looks freaking cool. So I'm, like I said, gonna go do all that shit. I will be right back for real this time. Hi, I'm back. Hello. Let's run through a little bit of details before we finish doing the eye. Okay, like I said, everything that I used and I mentioned in this video will be linked down below. So like my foundation, all that stuff. Like I said, we're gonna go over blush, highlight, lip details. For blush, I went in with the Blend Bunny Juicy Cheeks palette. I went in with that shade right there called Squeeze, just a little bit down here. And then I went in with the R.E.M. Beauty Satin Matte Blush in Strawberry Nebula, which looks like this. I put that here and I just sort of blended them together. For highlight, I went in with this Unearthly Get Groovy one. This is from their last summer's mystery box collection. I think this was a large one. I went in with this shade right here, up here, this shade right here, and then I went over that with the Blend Bunny Noctilucent one. I went in with Enlighten and Transient here. The yellow, gold, and green one right here, which I absolutely love it. I think it turned out so gorgeous. For lip, I went in with this NYX Liquid Suede Cream Lipstick in Sandstorm. It has been my go-to for years. Let's finish this under eye. I'm thinking maybe not under eye. I think we'll maybe leave the under eye. I do want to put a little bit of something in here though, because I am a shimmer addict. So I think I'm going to go in with that shade right there called Ray. I'm going to take that on my Refer 03. Just bringing this shade back around. I'm going to just be plopping that into the inner corner here. Just bringing it up to where it started here. And just a little bit in the inner corner. Just adding a little bit more sparkle, a little bit more something here. Oof, this is just so freaking pretty. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. I'm so glad that I ended up doing this. I'm so glad that I ended up putting this liner on. I think it just is so gorgeous. I will, you know, do a little close look, little reconnoiter, as Jan likes to say. This is what it looks like. I think it is so super gorgeous, so super pretty. I'm loving it a whole hell of a lot. I think it is just so gorgeous. This is like my favorite, one of my favorite palettes of like all time. It is just super gorgeous, just super fun. I'm so excited to play with Beauty Bay's new botanical palette. Like I said earlier, I think that's gonna be a lot of fun. I think that'll be fun to pair with this one too. But if you made it to this point of the video, thank you so much for watching. I really do, truly appreciate it. A couple things before you go though. Remember to not be a piece of shit. Don't be homophobic, don't be transphobic, don't be racist. There's so many better things to do with your time, your money, your energy. And honestly, I understand that you don't understand it. I understand that you do not like it, but it is 2020 freaking 4. Pull your head out of your ass, do better. Sounds like a personal problem, you know. And remember to be taking care of yourself, to be getting enough water, enough food, enough nutrients, enough self-care days, enough sleep, all that good stuff, because you matter. Don't be such a people pleaser, okay? It sucks, and you should know your worth and rise up to it. But again, if you made it to this point of the video, thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. Like I said, remember to do good, be good, and I can't wait to see your cute face next time.